Hello beach lovers! Welcome to my vlog! Kung hanap nyo ay crystal clear na tubig, malambot na white sand, at isang stay na swak sa tropical charm na may modern elegance, then let me take you to one of the Boracay's hidden gems, Henan Lagoon Resort. First time nyo guys mag-Boracay or gusto mong i-explore ang iba't ibang lugar sa isla, knowing the location of your resort is super important. And Henan Lagoon Resort definitely hits the sweet spot. Makikita guys ang Henan Lagoon Resort sa Station 2, ang puso ng Boracay kung saan nandoon ang buhay, kulay at saya ng isla. Pero kahit nasa gitna siya ng action, meron pa ring relaxing and exclusive vibe dahil nakatago ito a bit from main beachfront. Kaya perfect ang balance ng peace and convenience. Tingin mo guys sa Henan Lagoon Resort, isa sa mga pinaka-exciting na part ay ang pagpasok sa mismong kwarto. And trust me, hindi ka madidisappoint. From the moment you open the door, ramdam mo agad ang relaxing and classy ambience na parang nasa luxury tropical home ka. Guys, may iba't ibang room categories ang resort, depende sa budget at trip mo. Pero lahat may one thing in common: comfortable, spacious, and stylish. So, ito na nga guys. So, pag open namin ng door ay ramdam mo na talaga yung relaxing ambience ng room. Ang nakuha nga pala namin guys na room ay premier. Isa nga sa pinaka nagustuhan namin dito ay spacious at maaliwalas. Maganda at kumpleto sa amenities. Clean and modern bathroom with hot and cold shower, toiletries and fresh towels provided daily. Dito nga pala guys sa cabinet, meron din ditong mini ref na pwede nating lagyan ng pagkain. Pagbukas nga nito guys na sliding door, dito sa balcony or veranda, ay makikita mo ang magandang ambience sa labas at ang lagoon style pool nila. Ito nga pala guys yung look ng pool sa gabi. Yes, pwede kang mag night swimming. Open ang pool hanggang gabi, kaya kung gusto mong mag night swim with twinkling lights at malamig na hangin, go lang. Super romantic and relaxing talaga. Kid-friendly vibes din talaga guys ang pool dito. While it's relaxing for adults, may mga parts ng pool na mababaw and safe at fun para sa kids. Pero syempre, bantay pa rin dapat. Maraming available na sunbeds guys at shaded areas kung gusto mong magbabad under the sun o chill sa tabi ng pool na may drink sa kamay. Kung nakabuka sa isang room guys with pool access, literal na isang hakbang lang talaga mula sa kama mo, nasa tubig ka na. Super convenient and perfect for those who just wanna wake up and dive in. Tip nga pala guys, morning and late afternoon ang best time para sa pool picture. Hindi masyadong mainit at ang lighting pang photoshoot talaga. Kung relaxing swim or chill vacay ang hanap mo, the pool at Henan Lagoon Resort will definitely not disappoint. Every corner of the pool area guys is IG worthy, whether it's your morning coffee by the water, your OOTD sa poolside, or that jump shot in the water, lahat may aesthetic. Kaya huwag kalimutan ang waterproof phone case or GoPro mo, okay? Isa sa pinaka-highlight ng pag-stay namin dito guys is yung complimentary breakfast buffet served daily sa resorts in the house restaurant, yung Lagoon Cafe. Variety of options nga dito guys. May Filipino favorites like longganisa, tapa, sinangag at itlog. May international dishes din like pancakes, sausages, cereals, salads, and pastries. Unlimited coffee, juice, and fruits to start your day right. Bonus na nga dito guys, may egg and omelette station din. Your eggs, your way. Sobrang sulit lalo na kung mahilig ka sa buffet style meals. Tipid na, nabusog ka pa. Nga guys, habang kumakain kayo itong napakagandang ambience ng Henan Lagoon Resort. Too tired to go out? Walang problema guys, may room service din sila, so pwede ka mag-relax sa room mo habang hinihintay ang food delivery. Ultimate tamad day goals. Try mo mag-breakfast ng maaga para hindi masyadong crowded, and don't skip the local dishes. Ang sarap, promise. What makes Henan Laguna special is its perfect balance. You get peace and privacy within the resort, but you're also just a few steps away from the bustling nightlife, shops, and beachfront activities of Station 2. It's the best of both worlds. Whether it's your honeymoon, a family getaways, or a solo escape, Henan Lagoon Resort is your passport to a blissful Boracay experience. Clean, classy, cozy, it's one of those places that make you wish your vacation never had to end. So go ahead, treat yourself because paradise is calling and Henan Lagoon is waiting.